In the bustling streets of a modern metropolis, there lived a young professional named Alex. He was ambitious, driven, and always striving to excel in his career. However, Alex faced a significant challenge in his workplace, dealing with toxic individuals. His office environment was filled with gossip, negativity, and constant criticism. It seemed as though toxic people were lurking around, every corner ready to undermine his efforts and dampen his spirit. Frustrated and disheartened, Alex sought guidance from an unexpected source, the wisdom of Stoic philosophy. He delved into the teachings of Stoicism, which emphasized self-control, resilience, and inner peace amidst external chaos. Inspired by the Stoic principles, Alex embarked on a journey to navigate the treacherous waters of dealing with toxic people with grace and wisdom. The first lesson Alex learned was to cultivate his inner strength. Stoicism taught him to focus on what he could control: his thoughts, actions, and reactions. Instead of allowing toxic individuals to dictate his emotions, Alex practiced detachment and mindfulness. He refused to let their negativity seep into his psyche, choosing instead to maintain a sense of inner tranquility and composure. Moreover, Stoicism taught Alex the power of empathy and understanding. Rather than engaging in confrontations or succumbing to retaliation, he approached toxic individuals with compassion. He realized that behind their toxicity lay unresolved pain, insecurities, and fears. By empathizing with their struggles, Alex disarmed their hostility and fostered a sense of mutual respect. Furthermore, Stoicism instilled in Alex the virtue of forgiveness. He understood that holding on to grudges or resentment only burdened his own soul. Instead, he chose to release the toxic grip of bitterness and resentment, freeing himself from the shackles of negativity. By forgiving those who wronged him, Alex liberated his heart and embraced a newfound sense of peace and serenity. In addition, Stoicism taught Alex the art of setting boundaries. He recognized that toxic individuals thrived on drama and chaos, and thus, he established clear boundaries to protect his emotional well-being. He politely but firmly refused to engage in toxic conversations or entertain negative gossip. Through assertiveness and self-respect, Alex reclaimed his power and asserted his boundaries with confidence. As Alex implemented these Stoic principles in his daily life, he noticed a profound transformation taking place within himself. He no longer allowed toxic people to drain his energy or derail his dreams. Instead, he remained steadfast in his pursuit of personal growth and excellence. Over time, Alex's resilience and wisdom became a source of inspiration for others in his workplace. His calm demeanor, unwavering positivity, and compassionate approach served as a beacon of hope in a sea of toxicity. Through his example, Alex demonstrated that it was possible to rise above negativity and thrive amidst adversity. In the end, Alex emerged victorious, not because he defeated the toxic individuals in his life, but because he conquered his own inner demons. Through the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy, he transformed his greatest challenges into opportunities for growth and self-mastery. And as he walked the path of resilience and virtue, Alex became a living testament to the power of the human spirit to overcome any obstacle and emerge stronger than ever before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational and inspirational success stories to keep you motivated on your path to success.